Hello lovelies, you welcome back to my channel. It's Makeover, your Igbo girl that keeps winning every day. Today I'm up with another tutorial, guys. You can see this beautiful tutorial I'll be giving you today, and if you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep watching. Don't stop watching. You see everything I did to achieve this look from start to finish, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give these videos a thumbs up if you like it, guys. Catch you in my next videos.
Here's my worship, all of my worship. Receive my worship, all of my worship. Here's my worship, all of my worship. Father, receive my worship, all of my worship. You are worthy, and no one worship you for me. For all the things you've done for me, and no one can worship